1,000 drivers.
Back with the part 3
They
of
say that's going to go up to about 400,000
a really
by
big truck
2020.
actually.
So go and get yourself a
It's
CDL.
really nice. It has really big
Start
gold
driving one of
tires.
these big rigs. Start local. Haul in
Yeah, guys,
one of
it's
these
so big.
roll-offs. Pretty cool deal.
It's so big, like I can't even get it. Let me come over here real quick. Let's see, guys, right here. It's alright. People these days. Alright. So let's come over here now. So, Mom. What's up? We're back with the part 3, huh, Mom? Yes. Okay, so we gotta go look at some raptors, guys. There's a bunch of sick. Oh, Mom, can I go look at this one? Go ahead. Guys, this is. All these trucks here are so nice, guys. Like, look at this one. So nice. I gotta understand how people afford this stuff. So nice, guys. I'm gonna look at these ones. Okay, guys, I'm gonna come through here. There's like a gold one. Sorry, guys, I have to know where my guys. This one's sick. Look at this one. How do you think you guys can see? But blue everything under here. Sick, guys. Look at these big old trucks over here too. These ones. Okay, guys, look at this one. Guys, and my favorite one is over here. Right here, guys, look at this Ford. It's sick, guys. This one has green under it, though. See, guys? Under there. So nice. So I'm going to go back right now. So yeah, guys, one right here, too. Hey, guys, it's really nice. Hey, guys, so let me go back. I gotta pause the video. Peace. Okay, guys, look at this Mustang. Whoops. Right there, guys. This one's sick, too. Look at the inside. Inside of the Mustang, guys. I love Mustangs. They're super nice. Okay, guys, look at this Jeep. Oh, my God. Look at this Jeep, guys. That's sick. Look, it has blue tires. Hey, guys, moving on to the next one is this one. Oh, there's people in the way, so I'm not going to get it. So, guys, I'm going to come back over here real quick. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I love it. I love seeing all these big trucks. So, yeah, guys, this one again. It's like a freaking monster truck Ford. You guys, look at this Raptor over here.
Okay, we're finishing up with our big truck category right now. Our big rigs.
Oh shoot, thanks, Mom.
They're down here.
Thanks, Mom.
Just pulling out from underneath.
Guys, look at this Raptor over here.
We'll have a couple of
I'll show you our day shortly.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go look at this Raptor real quick.
We have called you to lane 1. If you're participating in the ATV category,
Look at
you
guys
should be
right
heading to
there.
round 1 right now for your
That
first
Raptor's nice, but there's people in the way.
session.
This is the inside of a semi. Then there's a Raptor over here real quick. Yeah, go. Like I said, I hope you guys are liking these vlogs. I love these vlogs. Look at these Raptors, guys. Nice. Try to get it from the back side angle. Yeah, guys, so nice. I think we'll end the video there, actually. Part 2 is really long. I'll link both the part 1, part 2 in the description below. Yeah, guys, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys next one. Peace.